What's going on, traders? Welcome back to a brand new video. Celestine Capital here. We are back with episode 2 of Top Step Takeover. As I mentioned in the first episode, we are en route to taking over Top Step. When I say takeover, I mean getting fully funded with Top Step, getting multiple payouts, and escalating up to live accounts and above and beyond everything that Top Step has to offer. So that is the current plan. I decided to switch from Apex to Top Step just because of the trailing drawdown. The trailing drawdown on Apex was very annoying. I definitely hate it. I do not like it. It is annoying, like I said. And Top Step does not have a trailing drawdown. They have end of day drawdown, which is a lot better for me specifically. Everyone is different, but for me, the end of day drawdown was a lot better than trailing drawdown. Now, today we lost a trade on US30. We took one trade. I missed out on an entry on SPX. Beautiful buy opportunity. And this was the trade that we lost on US30. Price ended up going in our direction, but we got stopped out. No biggie. It happens. It is what it is. It's not, don't think too much about it. I viewed my trade. I went over what I did wrong, and I see what I did wrong. And I'm going to show you guys just so you can avoid it if you want to follow along this journey. Let me go ahead and show you guys, as I always do, the proof of everything. Win or lose, I'm going to show you proof. That's a crazy thing. Win or lose, I'm going to show you guys proof. Okay, we lost $345. $345, which is nothing. It's something, but, it's not the entire account. All right, we were at about 51.3 something. Now we're at about 51 even. So we lost $300. Only took one trade today. I missed out on a beautiful opportunity on SPX buys. Just because I was busy doing something. I was busy at work, actually. Excuse me. I was busy at work. And yeah, I didn't get a chance to catch. This would have been my entry candle right here. But also, XPX didn't have to leave me like this. It could have come back to at least fill in this huge imbalance right here. It could have come back to fill in that imbalance, but it did not. It is what it is. I'm just going to keep moving forward like we always do. And let me go ahead and break down the US30 trade that we took today, that we lost on today. So here's what I was seeing on a 30-minute time frame. First off, daily time frame, just strictly bullish. Purely bullish. We had taken out a previous low, or what was it, 4 hour? We had taken out a previous low on the daily time frame. Is this for today? Monday, February 3rd. Where was this? We had taken out this low on the 4 hour, I believe it was. On 4 hour, we had taken out the low. Boom. We took out this 4 hour low right here. And like I showed you before, daily time frame, I see that we're still bullish. I feel like we're still bullish. Even though Trump imposed tariffs on a couple of countries, doesn't matter. Especially now that Mexico got theirs delayed or something. Or was it Canada? Mexico or Canada got theirs delayed. Got their tariffs delayed. And that also factored into the macroeconomics of this trade as well. 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame, we see a nice sweep of liquidity. And then we broke up right above this high that swept the liquidity. And where was the last order block? Right over here. This was the last order block that price created before this impulsive move to the upside. So we missed out on a beautiful entry at 5 o'clock. I wasn't awake at that time. I do not trade London consistently. I may trade it once in a while, but not consistently. More so New York. You can definitely find some good moves in London, which today was a perfect example of a good move in London. But New York, we found an imbalance on the 5-minute after this push to the upside, this huge impulsive push to the upside. There was a 5-minute imbalance right over here that we looked for price to shoot up from. So price tapped into the imbalance. We started seeing some kind of reaction from the imbalance, as you can see with all those wicks on the 5-minute. And then eventually price broke structure to the upside. It was a very small break, but it was a break nonetheless. You can see this was the last high, and then we broke that high. I entered right into this candle. Stop loss right below the low that filled in the imbalance. And we just got stopped straight out. No profit whatsoever. And after that, I was like, let me look for another trade. I was being patient. Like I told you, SPX threw a beautiful setup, but I missed that trade. And from there, I was just like, yeah, there's nothing else here. Markets are pretty choppy. It was pretty choppy after this. You can see, look at this. Look at this huge push. And then look at this. Look at all these candles right here. And then around 10:22, we had another push, but I wasn't convinced on this push on this setup up here, so I decided just not to take it. And plus, look at this huge 1 minute push. Yeah, there's no way I would have even tried to enter. Stop loss would have been way too big. The risk would have been way too much for me, and yeah, not worth the risk. I'd rather just save my money for another day. Regardless if it won, I'm not mad. Again, I'd rather just save my money for another day or for another trade. And yeah, that was the trade for today, guys. I showed you everything that I had to show you. We're still up on this account. We're still up $1,000. We need to get to $3,000. So we need to make about 2,000 more. And this is two accounts. Remember, I told you I'm trading two accounts. I'm trading 47 and 54. I'm trading two accounts. And they're both at the same amount. I'll show you. This is 54, same thing, same exact thing. I copy trade on Tradeovate. So it's going to be the same numbers. And yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you guys stick through this. We'll continue to see me grind and push towards the things that I aim to achieve. Regardless if, quote unquote, I fail, everything is a learning lesson. At some point, if you don't give up, you will get to where you need to get to. You will get to where you deserve. All right. I feel like I deserve the world, and it's only a matter of time. I'm just going to keep working, keep pushing, keep doing the things that contribute to a successful day trader, a 7-figure day trader, 8-figure trader, whatever the case is. It still happens to myself that will lead me down that path and get me there eventually, as long as I do not quit or stop. So once again, I appreciate you guys watching this video. I will see you guys in the next one.